This bipolar weather. You'd hardly even tell that it rained here that much the other day. It's like spring-like out here. On the Monday grind, workflow. It's good to see most of this water drained out from under there. If you guys are looking for some good cleaner, this Protect cleaner stuff, just spray it on and gets all the dirt out. Look at that. That looks a lot better than it was earlier.
Oh yeah. And what I'll do is I'll spray some more on there, and you just let it sit.
Let it sit. I wonder why they would have an antenna right on top of the building like that. If you jump hard on it, you can make the bell go off. Oh, she made it go off. What in the world? All this crap on this railing right here. It's from that pigeon up there. So that's what it's been doing up here. Laying eggs. If I just get rid of this. Put that owl up there to chase it away, but it won't go. The pigeon's up there like, where's my babies?